Guys, okay, so we are back on Friday. What's up, guys? We are back with another video, and okay, so this is my husband and Donna Bless here, and we are going to continue about what we're gonna continue again, babe?
We're going to continue. Continue where we start.
Okay, so we've been talking about what happened to us as a child, and we're gonna
We
start
talk
from
about,
there.
I bring back the memories, childhood days.
Yes, we're talking about our childhood days, and gonna continue until we talk about whatever we want to talk about.
I'm talking about it now. Back then it was, now it's a joke and fun for just laugh about it. But
Right.
back then it wasn't.
Yeah.
Back then it was, I don't know if I say,
Epic. All right.
epic.
So I just want to thank all the ladies that been requesting the video. All the ladies were inbox me and cracking me up that they love my husband and they love how he communicates. I just want to say thank you all. You all know yourself. So bless upon yourself, and we appreciate the love and the support, and thank you for watching.
So ladies are waiting there.
Inbox me.
About me?
Yes.
So
Yes.
they
The ladies, them I request you.
request me for the what?
Them I request you to have you on the channel.
Oh.
Yeah.
So it's a channel thing, okay.
Them say, you need to put your husband on the channel, you know, because me not tell her like make me laugh bad. Him crack me up. So I'm gonna have him on the channel, guys. So
What do you mean on the channel?
on the videos.
So you know, I mean the money part. That's what it pay me.
When the time come for you get paid, you're gonna get paid.
I mean everything.
My God. All right, so today we're gonna talk about what we think was a job for us as a child. Things that we used to do and make money as a child growing up. My story time with me as a child is when me used to sell
Speak up.
in a Christiana market. Me used to go market with me. I used to go market with my auntie. When me about 10 years old, me start go market with my auntie. Before day upon Saturday morning up at Christiana. I remember seeing me Christiana market.
A good market, you know, so that man.
Yeah, you know Christiana market?
You know Christiana.
Yeah.
Sometimes Christiana did hype. Hype town, you know.
Yeah, Christiana was very nice. I mean, my auntie used to go sell whatever we could have find, because you know where we grew up, we have everything like food wise. We plant a lot of food, whether potato, yam, banana, breadfruit, orange is stone dog. So we used to have that a lot. So me and my auntie used to go and market them time with my little penny, and it nice to have my little money in my pocket and thing, you know. But that is what we used to do. We used to happy for go and market with her on a Saturday morning, go sell orange. But it was tough, you know, to get up out of your bed so early as a child.
That time.
like before the 2 a.m. You reach a Christiana market in the 4 o'clock bells. And
So long it take me for that market.
no, but because I have to get up and pad donkey and go down in the hill. I not a far.
So you walk with the donkey?
Yeah.
You ride the donkey? You walk?
No, because through the donkey have a load.
You can't ride him?
No, we can't ride him for go down, so we have to get up in the early morning.
You walk?
And
with the donkey?
Yeah. We walk with the donkey. I will walk miles upon miles.
Find a way to carry me on the load.
For go a Green River or go for go Frankfield. It depends on which part we are gonna go. But sometimes sometimes we are late, and if the bus left way, and then because the bus have to stop so much time to pick up everybody.
What you say walk? I said bus.
No walk go Christiana Market, not walk go Christiana Market, walk go Green River.
With the donkey?
Yes, we walk go Green River, which is...
Left the donkey at Green River?
No, like, my uncle would have come with me, some of my uncle would have come with me.
And bring back the donkey then?
And then bring back the donkey them, yeah. And some they carry load power with head and them, something they go Green River. We catch the bus at Green River, which is miles upon miles, we have to walk. So we have to get up from 2 o'clock and go out there, the bus coming at the 4 o'clock bells, you know? And we sit down out there ready for go to Christiana markets, we go sell. And also, I remember when I grew up now in me, you know, about 12, 13, me a pad donkey and I ride. I go a Brownstone with mango and a carlo. When a mango season, me that Brownstone. Me alone now, sometimes, you know, at 11 to 15 years old, between 11 sometimes. Me and Derek them go, me and Dennis go. Depends on, sometimes me alone go. Because after me get used to the road, you know. With the pan donkey, I go to Brownstone, I ride the donkey with me 2 amper mango.
In a Brownstone?
In a Brownstone.
So the donkey reach a Brownstone?
Walk.
From Caroline?
Yes.
To Brownstone?
To Brownstone.
So that not far enough for Christiana?
No. Brownstone is closer to we. Because we take shortcut. There was short road where we used to take. Brownstone was closer to us. But it take me the whole day to and come back. We walk and we sell mango along the way. Mango. Yo!
So that means all the time the way that Brownstone sell me go to all there a center no far come from.
I know.
And more time I go to Brownstone.
I know. I used to tell Brownstone.
I think we see a Brownstone one time. With load on head, you know. I said, look at a girl with load on her head.
Lie, I tell.
I think we see her one time, man. Oh, I said, what a nice girl.
Yeah, right.
Big basket for her head.
We used to, when I go Brownstone, we used to go either Park Hall or go up James Hill. It depends on which part we are going to go sell mango. But we used to go also. What was that also?
So the money that you sell, when you sell back then, full of money them?
No, sir. I have to bring back money in the house to mama and buy food and then so. They never have money like that for yourself. It was, never feel it like that. You know?
So all them know much money you make? You couldn't take something out of it for yourself?
We're honest.
Honest? Yeah.
But after me get big and me start do it, I used to do it for myself, but that when me get older. And then me start do it for myself. Bye, Chevy. But that's my story time of what we think was a job growing up as a child.
Source of income.
Yeah. What about your story time? What you used to do as a hustler in your child?
It's a little flicker thing, you know. So, I remember one time, you'd have this man who live like couple. He live in the same area, but he have a shop, famous shop and thing where hanging out go on and things. So I'm gonna keep 2 parties a year time. You have 2 We have a son and a daughter and keep them birthday party every year.
Thinking I got to talk about the cleaner.
Yeah, man, they make the best day for last.
Okay.
Him have a son and a daughter and keep party every year. Yeah, 2 party. One September and one November. So we used to look out for them party that year time.
So it's like it was a birthday party or just a
year birthday. We don't remember which one first,
right.
but a September and November every year.
Mm-hmm.
We couldn't wait for them time of year to come. Them party there. So coming up to them time there, at them time we were out and about and hustling, you know, for party, you know. Hustle, chop out, open land, you know, hustling for
Get money.
They get money for party. Remember one time we chop out one 3 hours. 4 hours was bridging, you know, coming up, you know.
And then you're old. Now you're teens?
No, we were rich teens yet.
Oh yeah, look up at me.
Maybe about man, teens, early teens, maybe 13. 14.
Oh, okay.
Not even 14, because I'm not 14. I don't think we reach 14 yet. But early teens, 12, 13, so. Yeah. Remember, we were doing hustling at the biggest money we ever hustle. One time, we chop out one piece of workman and the man said, we're going to get paid. The day of the party, we don't get paid yet, you know. 1 week past, we don't get paid yet, you know. Be a stress, you know, man. So we don't have money for party. And the same day of the party, the man just carry the $40 come. $4 $10 bill.
Because them know say you come spend it out a party, you know.
Yeah, but I know him keep the party.
Oh.
You know, him get the contract for me and get the money from him boss.
But them time they $10 enough money.
What? Them in a junk at the party, man, I still have money change left out of $10. Yeah. Them time I drug and I drink 2 drug and I'm nice.
All man liquor that, you know?
No. But then back then I never all man liquor. Yeah, so 4 hours we used to par as virgin back then. Me and 3 more, I'm a virgin then. You know. So I don't remember how them get a link here, but me know say it was like a summer holiday. They went for the summer and I don't remember which one of the virgin come up and say, yo, you know, and then somebody tell them about some place up a half a tree or somewhere uptown, I knew half a tree where a paper company there, a newspaper company there. So we can sell newspaper and make money. We get them and can pick with them pay with any you want it. If you want to pay every day or you want your money stay for the week and collect your money weekly or daily, whatever you want. So I said, what? You know, before I reach up there in the morning, we get direction and take bus and go half a tree and find the place. You remember, alright, you know where the big pharmacy there where they across with them, half a tree.
York Pharmacy.
You know, alright. You know what was there before York Pharmacy? You remember? Or you don't know. Well, the place is there right there, so on board place, on old building. I don't remember if York Pharmacy was there or that was the building before York Pharmacy, but I saw me right off in the vicinity there. Okay. On board old building, like.
Right.
Yeah. Well, anyway, we'll get the link. So we say, yeah, we're going to sell some paper now. You know? So we go there now and, you know, the man give you the lowdown on the details and tell you how it go. You know? So he give you 100 paper to start off with. We get percentage. We get a percentage from what we sell. I don't remember what was the percentage. I don't remember how much it was so on the paper. I don't remember what was the figures like. Because that's like late 80s. Late 80s. Mid to late 80s. So I don't remember a long time that. So everybody get you 100 paper them, you know? 100 paper. Me say me a hustler and them amongst the brethren and all the way a hustler. 4 hours get you 100 paper now, bam, lift up a paper, put on it and touch the road in a half a tree. They half a tree now, you know, my brethren. They have a special brethren where One, that's a special virgin. One of the virgin them out of the lot, out of 4 away. Him, that fit him, fainting that the man doesn't go out there, so.
No,
Him just a
hustler.
sell, so. Me don't know, him just just shout out and but the paper name Sports and Art. It wasn't Star and it wasn't Gleaner. It the name Sports. Yeah, Sports and Art.
Okay.
So the paper the name. Yeah, so in my virgin, that one that I talk about, I try itch up on him, because him can't sell it enough,
So I try to get a trade for get a little
Yeah,
understanding from him of it.
Yeah, because I don't say oversell. Him out there shout it, so it's like him a shout for me and him.
Right.
To be a live off of him. So, I say sports and arts, and people that buy paper from him. So we will get 1 and 2 sale. So when I tell my boy look at me and say, yo, if you find your own way, go on, you can't follow me, If you find your make your go get your client them, I say, alright. I have to know. That's sports for ball out sports and all. That the selling Star and paper and selling the newspaper, it wasn't my thing. Cause for the day we did Pamela walk and a ball out this, and we did have too much pride on them way there. So we never sell $1. The day me go to work and not sell nothing. My brother them a go out when my brother them a come off of the road, them a come back with a few paper. Me a come back with a big stack of paper same way. Big stack of paper same way every day. Me a bring back paper. And my brother them a collect them little money. Every day they collect them little money. Them little $5, $6, $7 them way there. I go home with me. I just pay bus fare. I pay bus fare for go, and I pay bus fare go home back and now make my money. Yeah, man. So it did harder for me because I know my lines that if I walk and I get customer and I ball out sports and all the paper on my head. So my thing that. So I don't make no money.
So you spend bus fare if you go half a tree every day if you go sell and you're not.
Nah, I make $1.
Oh,
Tell my mother we get
work.
Work and
when time come here get paid.
no money. Nah, I make just I lose money. I pay bus fare 2 times a day.
So who used to give bus fare?
My mother.
Oh gosh.
My mother give me bus fare. My mother glad for no say why I get something for the summer, So at the time the man the boss said to me, say, you can't stop coming up. You can't stop coming up, because it don't make no sense. And if I follow me and just give me a good advice.
Right.
So, you can't stop coming up, because it don't make no sense, You just a waste bus fare. Because you're not selling nothing. You're not making no money.
Wow.
Every day I go out there, I bring back everything same way. Walk up and down in a half a tree with paper on my head. And time he step me there one place and just stay so with the paper them and I say nothing. Who want buy? See boy, it's not me. So what may I do? What may I do? It's not me. My time I buck up, so my time I buck up back from my brethren them and make them rounds, But look, I know they hand them have 2 little paper so. I told them to do it, man. Oh, how them do it?
Man.
Yeah, so that was one of the. I think that I'm first, like, the first, when I call it work.
Yeah.
Because back then, you can't say, I know you work that, Back then, they say you get a work.
You have that mentality.
Say you work.
Yeah, say your work. It's the same thing when we used to go Christiana market with my auntie, And to be honest, I don't really get no money from it. Because when I sell, I was to my auntie because she'd have responsibility. So whenever I used to really get no money, it's like me just did a help. And if I want like a slippers or something, I them like something for me. But never really like have money or I get money from it or like that. But life is a struggle, and sometimes when I look back on my life and say, this is what make me who me is, because I come from a strong foundation and a rough one, and it just make me firm, and don't take things for granted, because abuse life. It make me wise, very wise. My life was very hard, but it opened up my eyes and make me very wise.
It did hard and rough, but think about it now, have fun.
Yeah. I mean,
It was
we can
fun.
laugh over certain things right now.
Yeah,
You know?
yeah.
Laugh over it.
The life no last, and so it was fun.
For
We
real.
got through enough things to,
You show a lot.
I feel a whole heap of hunger.
Yep. Give God thanks.
Remember,
Trust me.
remember, we would never eat nothing yet one whole weekend. One whole weekend, Friday, Saturday.
Not me. That never happened.
Me go through that already. I don't eat nothing Friday whole day. I don't eat nothing Saturday whole day. I mean, a man, I love road, But honestly, me used to work and then stop work. But to war I go on in the era now, the place shut down and the war catch me when me not work.
Right.
So it's like me get chopped. You can't go out for go look my work and So
Wow.
yeah, at the house, everybody leave because where I go on, my brother and my sister them gone and me alone there I wallet. Because if me leaving, we not no more house to live in. Me just once me move out or once me leave and gone and
That's it.
and them know say that house empty.
Yeah. Then take it over.
You can't come back and live in the area, but you can't get back the house there.
Yeah, because them take it over.
Man, I take it over. So me decide to me stay for all the house and I leave.
Right.
So they did now work for nearly a year with the war. The war they go on about a year and a half. They did now work. So like a daytime, he's a road man. We do a road a daytime, because at 6 o'clock everybody have to go in their house and lock up and lock in, be a gunshot. So me come so the Friday come now, boom, no food. The Saturday no food.
Wow.
And the Sunday now, me say me not go road.
And then
Because if me go dead for hungry, me no want to drop down the road.
Yeah.
Me stay on my yard. A pride still enough.
and them time there, you never have money if you go supermarket. Every time you want a meal, you have to go a shop.
Yeah, man,
Go
go
buy a
shop.
big jilla aisle,
Shop.
pound of flour, pound of sugar, pound of rice.
And
so
tomatoes. And
so
tomatoes.
you don't have money if you buy grocery pack up in a house.
No, so.
Boy, when me look upon my life now to where me I come from, this is luxury. I'm telling you. Like literally. It blew my mind.
I say me go road Friday, nothing to eat, nothing. All day Friday night. Saturday the same thing. When Sunday morning, wake up Sunday morning on the way, me hungry. I say, me not go road today, If anything, me just have to stay inside,
Oh my gosh.
You don't want to go drop down the
You
road.
gonna call me?
They tell you that market.
They tell you that Christina market.
And my sister saved me, I'm not lying. She got my sister the day. She cook. And she carried in and come give me the Sunday evening. I tell her.
You still in your early teens sometime then?
Yeah. No man, not early. In my late teens sometime. And I tell my sister, I say, my sister, up to that day, I don't think she fully understand what she do for me that Sunday day, when she carry it in and come give me.
Wow.
I tell her, so she saved my life, but
Is your sister the older one, the younger one?
the one me follow.
Okay.
Me don't know, she don't know, me tell her, I tell her, but me don't think me don't think she fully understand what she do. And I'll never forget that. Anything at all I will do for that sister. Anything at all.
Hear that?
She make me feel so she make me alive until to the day.
Wow.
And because of pride, me have people out there, people when I could get dinner from them way there, but me nah go beg, go to nobody and say, get some dinner no.
Beg.
No, me no.
Beg.
I
You prefer dead if you're hungry.
I know my style.
Growing up, we used to say that beg us some dinner day.
Tell you when you open the fridge, from top to bottom.
Look at that fridge, you never even have light. You look at your fridge.
Guess when I fridge when you open the fridge, from top to bottom.
Water.
One thing never out.
Water.
From top to bottom, a water in our fridge. And guess what in our kitchen now? We'll never run out.
Salt.
Salt.
Mm-hmm.
Salt.
Poor people.
Salt. Water and salt. So you know me end up all though. Couple of morning them. At the water and take the salt in it and drink it for my tea.
Wow.
Yeah.
Man.
So you know, after I come out of that situation, the war kind of cease, and you have to push out now and
So them time they have cell phone.
no,
That's another thing.
not the cell phone.
But that is for another video, guys, because the story is not going to stop. We have so much to talk about. A lot. I mean, a lot. And then you guys gonna get to know who we are and what make us unique. What make us us.
So yeah, in it for let's continue. I'm edit them.
Yeah, I could have do that, but to we not the same outfit, I think it confused them when with the other video them when I post after that last week. So me that thing so maybe me not bother do it that way here because we're in the same outfit. So we have to change up our outfit from them.
Alright. Different outfit. Take off your blouse.
Bam.
Discussion continue now.
Not like
Really now?
All right, guys. Thank you guys again for watching. Thank you for the love. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for the comment. Thank you for inboxing me and cracking me up. Thank you all. When this channel grow, I'm gonna have a lot of giveaways. Yep.
Me I go get.
Yep. When this channel grow, I'm gonna have a lot of giveaway.
Me I go get.
Just keep sharing, subscribe, and all that. Good things come to those who wait. Okay? Love you guys.
Not to those who wait too late.
You're something else.
If I was so married, it'd stay for real. You'd married to me. Still married to me.
Yes.
Can't say I youth, yeah?
Yeah.
You don't feel so.
Oh God. All right, guys. What did I say? Okay, so what did I say if we talk about again? I forgot. The notification bell so you will always know when we upload. Obi and I is going to do video every Sunday.
No.